cutting the Eja Osan. Yes, cut it like that. Not spoil the head. Yes, put small meat for the head. Yeah. Okay. Head. No, we cut it into two. Yes, baby, is that okay? Today we're at the fish market. I love fish. This is a white snapper. This is taste bud fish. White snapper. My own was the Eja Osan. Now, here is how this gentleman is going to cut this fish. Check out his skills. One more, man. Woo! This is always very amazing for me. This is talent you are seeing right there. Wow. Navigating through the bone. What do you think of his fish cutting skills? Tell me if you're impressed. That's a cattle egret. Looking for bits and pieces of fish to monitor. You're not having any of my fish, cattle egret. Wow. Doing justice to the fish. My own fish is already in the bowl. That's the Eja Osan, or what used to be an Eja Osan. This is a white snapper. What's your favorite fish? White snapper or red snapper? Taste bud, what do you prefer, white snapper or red snapper? They're all the same. What about creepy? Shiny? What do you think? This is the size? Okay. The egret is coming nearer. Wow. Look at that fresh steak. As the knife is sliding into it. Quite a lot of bone though. Quite a lot of skill. Not easy to do this. Big is asking what about this size? Is it okay?
Yes. Copy.
Wow. Quite big steak. What do you think, Dave? Good sizes. Sometimes you go to Taste Bud's kitchen. This is always the kind of fish that she serves. She never serves small fish. Ejanla, aka Bengali. So anytime you go to Taste Bud, just ask for Bengali. This is what you get. Ejanla. See those chunks? Hey, okay. Now I want to be customer to chop that one. Alright.
I need a sharp knife. That knife, I need that knife very sharp. Because I want my steak clean. I need sharp knife.
Taste Bud's making special designs as usual. Just to satisfy our customers as always. Try. Imagine this in your cocktails. Imagine this in your signature. tell you what you should do when you're ordering paintball seafood okra. Always order snail. Snail is not seafood, so it's extra. Many people don't know this. They think seafood also comes with snail. It comes with periwinkle. It comes with ungolo. For snail, you have to pay. Pay for your snail. As you enjoy the Bengali Eja Osan. Look at that chop. Try it. Oh, yummy, oh, yummy. Look at that. Very nice chop. Woo. Nigerians love good fish. And we're to the Lagos Lagoon. The sights and sounds of Lagos. We're right under a bridge. This is the Ikoyi Bridge right above us. These are the fishermen catching a nap, getting ready to go back and haul in some good fish. Some of them are here chilling, playing on their phones, getting ready. The gentleman has gotten to the tail section. Imagine them selling that whole thing like that. That's when I know you have entered millions. Omijio has warned us, he said, if you eat tail of fish that is this big, you cannot make trouble. Always make sure you eat small fish so as not to miss heaven. Have you not been so Omijio talk? I think the tail is useless. The tail is fine like that. Removing scales, more scales. Yes, fine. See that thing? Under these taste buds, if it be you, we go chop this fish, you. If it be you. Almost done. So far it's taken about 7.5 minutes. So when you're a content creator, everything is content. Even these beautiful fish, the way that they cut them, are content. Sorry for those of you who don't understand pigeon, even this nice fish is content. Cutting skills is removing the insides of the fish. Most people don't enjoy. That's it. Brilliant. Good. If you understand what he's saying, please translate. Wow. That's okay. What is it? Okay, the next piece is going after this is the head. I love cutting the head of the fish. Everything is so it's going to be clean. Sometimes internal parts of the fish can be a bit bitter, so he has to scrape them. That's right. Now, boom. How many soups do you order that have all this type of fish? Seafood, okra, all our seafood. Name your soup.
Seafood okra, seafood ogbono. Yeah, we have seafood okra, we have seafood ogbono, we have seafood eforivo, we have seafood okra insala, we have seafood banga, we have about 13 different types of seafood soups on our menu. Yeah, 13 different.
And now the final piece is dissecting the head. Taste bud knows I like head of fish. So sometimes when I'm good and I behave myself well, she manages to allow me to eat the head. What do you think is happening to? Oops, she splashed fish. Is that okay?
Okay.
That's all right. All right, guys. That's the head of the fish. And we're done here. Thank you so much. Like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, share this video. Take care. God bless. We love you.